In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy queries in Power Query for Power BI or Excel. If you've ever built a great set of transformations and want to reuse them in another report or workbook, this quick method will save you a lot of time and keep your logic consistent across projects. First, open the original Power BI report that contains the queries you want to reuse. From there, select Transform Data to open the Power Query editor. This is the workspace where all your query steps live, and the Queries pane on the left shows every query in your file. If you're working in Excel, you'll use the same Power Query editor. The process is essentially identical. In the Queries pane, hold the Control key on your keyboard and click each query you want to copy. This lets you select multiple queries at once. Be sure to include any queries that other queries depend on. For example, if query B references query A, copy both so everything continues to work in your new file. Once you've selected them, press Ctrl+C to copy, or right-click the selection and choose Copy. Power Query will copy not just the query names, but also the full sequence of applied steps, parameters inside those queries, and any references among them. Now switch to the other report or workbook where you want to reuse these queries. Open that file, and again choose Transform Data to launch the Power Query editor. In the Queries pane on the left, right-click and choose Paste, or simply press Ctrl+V. The copied queries will appear immediately, preserving their structure and step logic. If a query name already exists in your destination, Power Query may adjust the name slightly to avoid conflicts. You can tidy names afterwards if needed. A couple of helpful notes as you verify the results. If the pasted queries connect to external data sources, you may be asked to confirm or set credentials in the destination file before those queries can refresh. That's normal, since each report or workbook maintains its own connection permissions. Also, if you notice an error about a missing query, it usually means a referenced query wasn't copied. Just go back and include that dependency as well. And that's it. You've successfully copied your queries from one file to another using the Power Query editor. This simple copy and paste approach keeps your transformations consistent, reduces repetitive work, and helps standardize data preparation across Power BI and Excel. Thanks for watching, and feel free to use this technique whenever you're building a new report from a reliable set of existing steps.